radioisotope of iodine-131. This isotope produces radiation of beta particles and gamma rays. Iodine-131 is used in medicine as it helps treat the cancer cells of the thyroid gland for over 50 years, which is positioned in the neck near the Adam's apple. This isotope is a non-metal solid, which is either given to patients by tablets that hold 0 grains of iodine-131 and sodium iodide, as well as a clear liquid of sodium iodide and iodine-131, which can be both swallowed by patients to cure thyroid cancer. There are benefits to taking iodine-131 and there are problems. Firstly, the benefit of this isotope therapy is to help the thyroid gland begin to function in its normal way. The thyroid gland controls the body's metabolism, which helps a person's importance of life. Another benefit of using iodine-131 is that it kills any dangerous cancer thyroid tissues and other areas of the body that the cancer cells surround. However, the problems about using iodine-131 therapies are that it gives a higher radiation amount than any other cancer scans or tests. The dosage of the isotope is measured by the body weight of a person and the amount of swelling of the thyroid infection, which means that a dose is an estimate and could be measured incorrectly or can be too high, and therefore the thyroid gland will lower function after the treatment is finished. If swallowing a tablet, the radiation in it is greater, which means it can expose more radiation to people around the patient, and doctors suggest that staying in the hospital for 3 to 5 days is a safer option. Okay, so some of you may be wondering why on earth would we be using iodine-131 if it has this many problems? But what some of you do not realize is that advantages of the use of this radioisotope most definitely outweighs the problems. As mentioned earlier, the iodine-131 therapy is a treatment in helping the thyroid gland and curing cancer in this region. This is essential because our thyroid gland is important in producing many everyday functions in our body. Thank you.